So we're in a Marvel land. How amazing is this place? The theming on this place is absolutely unreal. Come up to Spider-Man. Woo! Look at that. Dr. Doom's Fearful. They just come off. Dr. Doom's Fearful. In honesty, weren't that great. Pants, to be fair, not to ruin it for anyone, my own opinion. You kind of get shot up and then it's just like a couple of bounces and that's it. So now we're going to probably try. What? What the Spider-Man? I guess we're going on Spider-Man now. See you in a minute. We just got off of Spider-Man. That was absolutely incredible. So, Dr. Doom's Fearful, not so much. Spider-Man, absolutely insane. Definitely check that one out. He wants to try the Storm Force acceleration. But she's going to check it out first, see what she feels like.
Was that right? Scary. Do you feel sick or was it fun? Sick. Ben?
Hey?
How was the ride?
Good. You're a bit lost in the teacups.
So we're off to Zeus Landing now.
Yes. It is really hot today. It's very humid. 75, I think.
75, is that humid wise?
Yeah. Yeah, it's really, really hot. I think it's about 29 degrees.
29 degrees.
Yeah, that lady
and we're going to
Are you excited?
a little something for Thea, isn't it, Thea?
I'll go and I'll hunt in my skateboard and bring back the family. Other tangents. You have to get cold and it's wet too. Too far, too near. Which way? Too far. Too far?
Good choice. Don't always take the easy option. Good girl.
Thank you.
Is that you?
You'll see a bit of who is very surprising, a Vela who has a proper horizon. All you need is the air to pump. There he is, he's coming up. Well, I'm gonna crash.
a funky land. Let's go play with some water. Are we having fun in this land?
Yeah!
I wish I had some soup with noodles.
It looks like we're on our way to a funky carousel.
Your carousel so high is about to begin. Buckle in. Or standing between two beats and enjoy your spin.
Scrap that. We're going on one fish, two fish, blue fish. Ready to meet the Grinch. Grinch wasn't a fan of Daddy. Didn't wash me socks, did I? Thea, did you like me? Huh?
No, only the yellow guy.
You like me and the yellow guy. All right, where are we going? Follow. We left Zeus Landing. And we're into the walk to the land of dinosaurs. Also known as Jurassic World, Jurassic Park. If you've got young kids, Zeus Landing is pretty fun. Lots of like interactive elements and stuff. That is just what we just went on. Survived, and now we're off to Popeye's now for a bit more of a water ride. So despite being at 78 humidity, it looks like it's about to rain. The clouds are about to open. And right on time, right before I had the water ride, here comes the rain. So we probably better stop filming for a minute. Make sure we keep the equipment safe. See how it goes. Is there somewhere? We're wrapped up. Can you imagine queuing all this way? Coming here in the height of summer, this might be one that you might need to get here early for, because it is a massive queue.
And Monty always gets his
That was a wet one.
Not
It's right. I can see her. She's not too happy.
Hello.
Remain seated in your log,
Worth it.
keeping your hands
We like that one.
inside.
Definitely did that one. If it sounds dodgy, I apologise because I ain't got the mic on. I'm trying to film a little bit inside. You can hear the screams. Ripshaw Rapid, that was called. And honestly, probably one of the best rides I've done at Universal so far. We're going to go to Popeyes, which is supposed to be even more wetter. Look. Pardon? Oh, okay. Are we going? Yeah? Cool, let's go. So, we've just gone on the... you tell him then, go on.
Rapid motorbikes, and that is not for children. No way.
Why is
You're
it not
allowed
for
to
children?
though, because you're
You are allowed on it.
Yeah.
You were talking
Yeah,
about.
but it's not for children. Okay, guys. Bye bye.
So about to go on the Bilge Wrap, Popeyes and Blutos, which supposedly you get even wetter than the Ripshaw. Let's see. Thea don't want to come on the Popeye ride and get soaking wet. Don't seem like getting wet for some reason. So I'm looking around for the jet guns that she could stand and spray us, but they look like they're out of action, which is a shame. She would have loved that. So if you are coming to shoot people whilst they're on the ride, it don't look like it's working anymore. Thea's changed her mind. She's coming on. Yes, official, you get absolutely soaked on Popeye. Through the rain jacket. She ain't happy. Thea, you alright? Was that good?
No, not for children.
How soaked did you get?
Right, are you ready? Let me show you as well for your trainers. Are you ready? Bring your bad boys out. Look at this. That is mad. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, wicked.
You
The
look a
one
bit
day I didn't bring my flip-flops.
Oopsie.
Never mind. Life's a challenge or an adventure, one of the two.
Now ready to dry.
So the storm is well and truly with us. Keeping the rain jackets on.
I prefer it. I don't like hot weather queuing, and it's really nice.
Thea, do you like the rain?
Warm rain.
So we're going to try and hit as many of the rides as we can that's still open.
Did you explain about the buggy?
Yeah, we talked about the buggies.
Yeah.
Worth bringing your buggy, your pram, your stroller, whatever it is. It got really bad, so we darted in for some food, which was, we'll show you now. Actually, probably one of the best meals we've had in Orlando. Some of the other ones have been good, but when you think theme park, you think the terrible food. We had something in Jurassic River or something, restaurant there. Actually, incredible meal. Not what I expected for theme park food. Let's see where we end up. So we're hitting Sneetches Inn, back in Zeus land, or Zeus, which is the train that goes round. The beauty of doing the parks when it's raining is just everyone's darting inside. Us Brits, we're used to the rain, aren't we? Let's make the most of it.
We love the rain.
swirly and this nice. Oh, yeah, try it. Rainbow swirly.
Thanks, babes.
Try it.
We just got ourselves a couple of treats. Had a lovely little lunch. So we fancy something sweet. And Ashan's gone for a doorstep with a marshmallow treat. Look at my head in comparison.
Like, try and get it in your mouth.
That's a
Just got
bite and a half. And what you got, Thea?
Rainbow swirly candy floss.
Ooh, rainbow
What's yours?
swirly candy floss.
Yours looks luminous.
And I've got toxic waste.
I want to
Orange whoopie pie. Let's have a go. Nice, very orange American-y. Is it like sweet?
We'll try this.
Artificial. Go on then, go.
Can I try some of yours?
That's nice. That's better than the snap, crackle and pop ones.
Can I try yours?
Want to try a bit?
Very orange, but I like the cream on the top.
Ooh, nice. I'm going to finish this in a bit. Another day wrapped in the awesome Orlando. Incredible day. Universal. Amazing. Not epic. We got that planned. We'll probably do that some point next week. Currently, America are having a Veterans, kind of a long weekend. I think similar to our Remembrance Sunday, because it was busy everywhere. But phenomenal, wasn't it, today?
Yeah.
The water rides. You weren't too keen, were you?
No. The first one we went on, the water ride, I did not like that. I was at the front and I did not like that because I got soaked wet and I was crying at the end. I was like, no, never cry.
You was crying a bit. And we also had a first proper meal in the park today. And you would have seen me saying earlier, I didn't really rate or didn't expect much from theme park food, but it has to be one of the best meals we've had so far. I can't remember what it was, like some River Rapid restaurant in, or River Falls restaurant in the Jurassic Park World part of
It was good.
Universal, and it was stunning. I had like a pork shoulder, a roasted pork shoulder with like black beans, a special kind of rice, put it with hot sauce on there. It was awesome.
I remember
what did you have?
We have, me and Mum, we have salad with chips and corn and chicken.
Chicken?
And we have some rice and then, yeah.
And it was really good. We also had a couple of treats, as you would have seen. A fluorescent orange whoopie pie, an awesomely tasting Rice Krispie cake.
Oh, Mum.
That was really, really good. And then we went City Walk. So, like, price-wise, when we had the food in the... We're going to show that. When we had the food in the restaurant, it come to about $47 after tax. So, not the cheapest, but quality-wise, it was worth it. You can go places like, let's say, Chester and Alton Towers and get really dodgy food for a bit of pricey money. So that might have seemed a bit pricey, but quality was there. We then had, what did we have today? A bit of Chinese, Panda Express, or American Chinese, not proper Chinese. That was nice. So I had what I have: Beijing beef, orange chicken, some noodles. We had a little pot of noodles for you, didn't we? A bit of chow mein. And Mummy had beef and broccoli, only 2 bits of beef in it. So maybe just broccoli with a sliver of beef. And that in itself was $35. And then we went to the awesome, amazingly decorated, themed, because it is themed on his actual house, Bob Marley's house. We had a couple of drinks in there. Now, because it is a family venue, I was going to add that, family venue up until 10 o'clock at night. So if you like reggae music, like Bob Marley especially, we'd recommend checking it out. One of the dancers from Universal was having a birthday there, and Thea is her new best friend. But yeah, don't be eating candy floss now. So we got 2 drinks in there. We were with obviously friends and family, but I had a cheeky double whiskey on the rocks. Shan had a double rum and coke, and that was $33 for the 2 drinks. But the atmosphere, well made up for it. Absolutely incredible place. Don't know how many times I can call Universal incredible. And then we've finished it with some voodoo donuts, because everyone was banging on how good they are. We've had a couple of bites of them. You would have seen them on the video previously, but they are tasty. And they were only, how much were they, Shan?
$9.36.
$9.36 for 3 decent donuts. So, yeah, cool. Anyway, we are going to be off to bed. What do you want to say? Go on then. We got a big day tomorrow at Epcot.
It's like halfway. And I was like, how is that gone down already?
She was munching it. So say good night.
Good night. And subscribe to Family Hustle and Totally Thea's World. Night. See you later.